letter O.
Teddy! I left Teddy on the aeroplane!
Eh? What?
We have to go back for Teddy!
Oh dear, it is a policeman.
Hello, officer. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but I promise I won't do it again.
Good day. I am returning this young bear. He was left on the aeroplane.
Oh, thank you.
Teddy!
Have a lovely holiday.
Keep a close eye out now. You never know where it might be hiding. There it is! Oh, no, that's not it. There it is! The octopus! 8 arms, changes colour, can squeeze through small spaces, and not afraid this time. What a fascinating creature, once you know a bit about it.
Huh? Wait, these oranges won't stay still.
Maybe you should ask them nicely.
Good idea. Excuse me, oranges. Would it be okay if I picked you?
What's the magic word?
Please?
Please!
Uh-oh.
Make us big and strong as ogres. It's no joke, we want muscles all over. But once we win a Brooms and Ogres game, please put us all back the way we came. Yes! Go,
Whoa.
Wow.
I'm going to take a wild guess here and say too much ogre sweat and sparkle spinach.
Snapdragons!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.